I was cleaning up all the things. Like I was, cleaning up the cleaning products. I was cleaning up my food. I was really taking care of my environment, but my makeup and my skincare, I mean, you're so wedded to what you're using. And it can seem like not that big of a deal. But if you think about it, when you're fasting, there's basically, well, not even when you're fasting, basically just in life, there's two main avenues for putting compounds and things directly into your body. That is when you're eating, and that's also what you put directly on your skin. And that would be your skincare and makeup. And the shocking thing about conventional skincare in the US. So in Europe, they have banned over 1,300 ingredients as being toxic. So these are compounds that are likely toxic. They can be carcinogens. They can be endocrine disruptors, which you just mentioned and which we can dive into. The US has actually banned less than 10, which is just completely shocking. And then on top of that, the FDA is the branch of the government in charge of regulating skincare and makeup. So they've banned less than 10 ingredients. They also have no system in place to even enforce those ingredients. So basically, if you go to their website, they say, these are the ingredients that are banned, but it's up to manufacturers to follow these rules. So it's like having very, very poor speed limits and no police at the same time. And then on top of that, companies can actually put whatever they want in a makeup or a skincare product. They just call it fragrance. So for listeners, if you ever look at any of your makeup or skincare, if it says fragrance, it can contain anything. And it's likely it doesn't even have to be a fragrance. It's a legal loophole from the 1960s, and it protects companies' quote, trade secrets. So it's really, really upsetting, honestly. And the thing is, when we're putting the skincare, this makeup, face wash, all of these things on our skin provides these compounds direct access to our bloodstream. And these compounds can go into our body. They've been shown to have overwhelmingly toxic effects. And the studies that they do on their toxicity that are often done on very small amounts, and they don't take into account the fact that with skincare and makeup, we're using it every day. So there's something called the additive effect, where it actually builds up in our system over time. There's something called the cocktail effect. That's where the seemingly benign ingredients, when you mix them together, become more toxic. So vitamin C, which is in a lot of, skincare products, can actually react with other chemicals to become toxic.